world where social media is flooded with reels shouting easy ways to become a millionaire, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Most of them say just invest 50,000 or 60,000 rupees a month and earn 15% returns. But is that even realistic for everyone? Here's the truth. You don't need a huge salary to build 1 crore portfolio. With the right strategy, even small, consistent investments can get you there, and that's what we are going to explore in detail in this video. Hi there, welcome to holisticinvestment.in, where we simplify the world of personal finance for individual investors like you. So for most investors, the first 1 crore is the toughest, but once you get there, the compounding takes over and your wealth begins to snowball. Think about it. The journey from 1 crore to 2 crores take far less time than 0 rupees to 1 crore. So how much should you invest to reach 1 crore? It depends on two things: your time horizon and the returns your investment can generate. At 8% returns per year, in 5 years you will get 1,35,196 rupees per month you need to invest. But if you need 1 crore in 10 years, then you need to invest 54,299 rupees. But if you need 15 years, then you can invest 29,431 rupees per month. And if you want 1 crore in 20 years, you can invest 16,000 rupees, 865 rupees per month. And in 25 years, it is 10,000 rupees, 445 rupees per month. And at 12% returns and 15% returns, it also gets more and more, the amount gets smaller, the more longer time horizon gap you have for your investments, which you can clearly see in this tabular column presented on the screen. So if your goal is long-term wealth creation, choose equity mutual funds. They have historically delivered 12 to 15% returns, which can significantly reduce how much you need to invest. If you don't like to take too much risk, then you can pick hybrid funds or multi-asset funds. They balance equity with debt and gold. If you're conservative and want guaranteed returns, consider options like PPF, Kisan Vikas Patra, recurring deposits, fixed deposits, or even debt mutual funds. But remember, these need higher monthly investments to reach 1 crore because returns are lower. So if your investment horizon is more than 7 years, then equity mutual funds can help you outpace inflation and build real wealth. So fixed income may feel safe, but what's the point of safety if your purchasing power is shrinking every year? So once you hit 1 crore, compounding does the heavy lifting for you. At 12% annual returns, even if you stop investing after your first crore, as you can see, it takes only 6 years for 1 crore to become 2 crore, and it only takes 3.5 years to make 2 crore into 3 crore, and it only takes 2.5 years to make 3 crore into 4 crore, and just 2 years to make 4 crore to 5 crore at 12% annual return. So even if you stop investing after your first crore, your portfolio can grow to 8 crores by age 60 if you leave it untouched and let compounding work. So what is the final takeaway from this video? Don't wait for a race. Don't wait for the right time. Start investing today, even if it's just 5,000 rupees per month. And remember, your first 1 crore should come from financial investment, not locked up physical assets like real estate. If you're serious about reaching your first 1 crore, don't do it alone. Click the link in the description to get a free consultation with a certified financial planner and start your journey with expert guidance. And hey, if you found this video valuable, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It might just help someone else start their journey too. So start early, stay consistent, let compounding do the rest. Until next time, thank you for watching.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.